Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader at XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD, and silver. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is heading towards 4,000 level. Now the question is, where is the top? And the answer is nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows, okay, from where or from which point gold will come down for correction. As we have already discussed plenty of times that technically gold should have come down for retracement a long time ago. A big retracement correction is due, but if the fundamentals are not supporting, then obviously we won't see any reversal or any big correction. Technically, we need a big correction of at least $200 to $250 correction. Yeah, means we need gold around 3600, 3700 for the okay normal okay chart. But things are not happening. As a result, okay, it has become very dangerous. It is a very rare situation where buying and selling both become dangerous because trend of the market is super bullish, so we cannot go for a sell. And as gold has not shown any proper retracement correction, so buying is also dangerous because at one point, okay, gold will break, isn't it? And when it will break, nobody knows. But when it will come down, okay, the speed may be too fast. That's why I have been requesting all of you that if you guys have been holding gold, okay, do not trade without stop loss because it can be dangerous. So if you have any buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy because sky is the limit. Yes, we can expect some resistance around 4,000 level. But to be honest, okay, if this thing continues, then we may see gold going above 4,000 also. Maybe we will see some temporary retracement correction. That's it. But if the trend of the market continues, then we may see gold heading above 4,000 area. So if you have a buy, hold your buy with proper stop loss. Here you can put your stop loss below 3950 or you can put your stop loss below 3930. And if you're holding or not, if you're looking for a fresh position, then we will follow the same old strategy that we have been following for the last couple of weeks, months, and more than a year. That is, buy at dip. If market doesn't come for retracement, then we will buy at breakout. But yes, the same old strategy. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, you can consider opening your account in Vantage. Vantage doesn't require any introduction. It's a global brand, multi-regulated broker with more than 5 million registered users and 1,000 plus products. If you're using a tier 3, tier 4 licensed broker or unregulated broker, then you are risking your capital and hard-earned money, which you should not be doing it. You should immediately switch to a regulated broker like Vantage. Vantage is not only a multi-regulated broker, but it also provides compensation up to 20,000 euros because it's also a member of the Financial Commission. Vantage provides multiple trading platforms like MT4, MT5, then their own mobile application, ProTrader. But the most happening thing they have is you can also trade from TradingView. Yes, we love to watch our charts on TradingView with Vantage. Okay, you can also directly trade on tradingview.com as well. So my dear friends, if you open your account in Vantage, you get all the things at one place. Moreover, if you open your account under our referral, you also get access to our WhatsApp community as well, where you get regular market updates, analysis, and many more. So feel free to check out Vantage. The link will be in the description. Bye bye. Take care. So we are back to the 15-minute chart of gold, and we can see that right now there is not much volume here. So if market remains like this, then we can expect a little retracement and it will not be a bigger one. So if market comes down for a smaller retracement, then we can look for support around 3948, 3950, the first dotted line here. We are considering the first dotted line here because the previous resistance will become the new support here. Okay, 3948, 3950. Then we have the second support around the second dotted line here, 3932, 3930. So these are the two retracement levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy if market takes support, and there's a good chance that market will be taking support because the overall trend of market is bullish and right now there is not much volume also. So 394850 and 393230 Okay, 394850 because the previous resistance will be working as support, and we are considering 3032 because it was a previous support. Okay, and in case market surprises us with deeper correction, then we can look for support around 39. Remember the level from yesterday? Yes, market did not come to the 1210. It flew from 25 area. Okay, the level of 1210 is still very much valid. So on the chart of gold, we have three support levels: 4850, 3230, and 1210. These are the three support levels where you can look for a buy if market comes down for retracement. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then okay, we can look for buy and breakout. For example, okay, now we can see the market is in consolidation. So if the consolidation continues for another couple of minutes, 1 or 2 hours, then we can look for a breakout above 3979. Okay, 3979, and we can obviously buy above it as well. But if you do not want to take the risk, because right now as we can see, small candles means low volume. If you do not want to take the risk, then okay, you can just avoid the breakout and wait for the market to come down. Obviously it's a boring process, but safer in comparison to buying at breakout. We have been following this for months. Okay, simple. Okay, when the previous resistance will become the new support, we can look for a buy, because obviously at one point market will come down. So when 3978, 3976, okay, this will become the new support here. Okay, then you can enter at pullback if you do not want to buy at breakout, because for breakout we need consolidation, isn't it? So trend of the market is bullish. Okay, so we are following the trend of the market. Okay, and we have been following the trend of the market for a long time. Okay, not looking for any selling opportunities here. Okay, so buy and dip is still the best running strategy, as I said. Okay, so if market comes down for retracement, we can look for buy around 4850, 3230, and 1210. These are the three levels. But if market doesn't come for retracement, we can look for buy at breakout if market breaks after consolidation, or we can buy at pullback when 7876 will become the new support. But as I said earlier also, that buying and selling on this chart has become very risky because gold has not shown any proper retracement for a long time. Okay, and obviously gold will be risky, okay, until and unless it crosses 4000 level. When gold will go above 4000 area, then we can expect it. Okay, nothing can stop gold, but until and unless gold crosses 4000 level, okay, there is a possibility that we may see some temporary correction or retracement on the chart of gold. At least some profit booking should come. We are not talking about trend reversal here. Okay, that's a different game, but at least we should see some profit booking. And the fundamentals are also not helping at all. You can see gold holds near record high. Gold price hovered around 3960 per ounce on Tuesday, close to a record high reached earlier in the session, driven by economic uncertainty and expectations of further US rate cuts. Gold moved closer to 4000 on US shutdown and French crisis. So fundamentals are not at all helping at all. So let's wait and watch. Now let's look at the chart of silver. So this is a chart of silver. Okay, unlike gold, we can see that silver is in okay a little bit okay consolidation or sideways. So in a market condition like this, okay, it's better to stick to the levels. Usually in a sideways market, we buy at support, sell at resistance. But here we will not sell at resistance because the trend of the market is bullish. We should not forget that last Friday, okay, silver was crazy bullish. So today we will be looking for buy only. So the first level where you can look for buy is around 48.15205. Okay, this is the first level where you can look for a buy because market has taken support previously. First support. Okay, if the first support fails, then we can look for buy around 4780, 4775. Okay, 47.80275. This is the second support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy if silver drops. But we are not looking for any selling opportunity because right now, okay, while recording the video, okay, the market is bullish and this is just a consolidation. If things change during the US session, that's a different story. US session is always okay full of action, but right now, okay, I'm recording the video in the Asian session, so things are still bullish, technically at least. So These two are the support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy if market comes down. And if market goes up, then obviously we can look for buy and breakout, okay, above this 48.80. But as I said, in case of gold also, that we need a consolidation. If a breakout comes after consolidation, then we can go for buy at breakout. Otherwise, it will be better for us to buy at pullback when this same resistance will become the new support. Okay, because whenever we buy at breakout, okay, there is a fear of false breakout as well. Okay, and to avoid false breakout, okay, consolidation is a very crucial thing. So now let's wait and watch. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.